Hello and welcome back buddies. In today's tutorial we will learn how to install and use Google Chrome extension in Android devices. So let's begin. First of all we have to install the kiwi browser from the Play Store. By the way, you will find a direct download link in the description. After installing, simply open the app. Search for Chrome Web Store. You will also find the web store's link in the description. Now search for your desired extension in the search bar. In my case, I will show you one of my favorite Chrome extensions, Dark Reader. Tap on extension and then tap on add to Chrome button, and it will ask you for some permission. Accept permission and install the extension. After installing, let's test if this extension is working in our browser properly. So for testing I will opt for some random website like Wikipedia. So as you can see, dark mode is active. To further use or edit settings of extension, you have to tap on upper right corner and scroll down. You can see your installed extensions list here, so I'm going to test if turning this extension off will work. So tap on toggle and go back to Wikipedia. As you see, the extension is working properly. Let's do the same steps again, and you can see the dark theme is back. Thanks for watching guys. If you find this tutorial helpful and want more tutorials like this, please consider liking this video and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.